So, with the price of eggs continuously going upward now, people all over America are turning to a tradition that's been around long before grocery stores.
So what they're doing is adopting their own flock of backyard chickens. It does take a lot more effort, though, than just picking up a carton and dropping it in your cart. Chickens, like all pets, do require daily care, especially if you get them as chicks.
It's not rocket science, but it's something that people need to be mindful of. So it takes care. I mean, these little guys are they're a day old when we get them, and they're really cute. They're really cuddly, but they're not a cuddly pet to sit on the couch and cuddle with, or let your toddler play with too much.
No, no. And the startup cost to get everything you need generally run between $200 and $300. If you do adopt chicks, just don't expect to get eggs for around 6 months. You got to be patient.
Oh, there you got tons of backyard chicken people here in the Portland area and throughout the metro.